Today I'll be 3D printing the dragon. The first step in this process will be to print it. Unfortunately, when I printed this dragon, the supports fell over, so I had to spend a lot more time removing them. Now we are up to step 2, which is removing the supports. The supports didn't come off cleanly because it didn't print properly and the supports fell over, so I had to sand the whole thing down, which took quite a while. Now on to step 3, which is painting. This white paint that I'm putting on is the undercoat, so the actual paint with the colour sticks better. This model is actually the best so far. I actually spent a while choosing the colours, so it would look the best. Now, onto the final step, comparing. This is the new dragon, it's pretty good. And this is the old dragon, so the first one I made. Comment below on which one is better.